Hold on one second, I'm not ready. Be right back. Okay, now I'm ready. Welcome to our home here in Texas. All right, so welcome to our little humble abode. We are so happy we found this gem. It is so small and so quaint, but we love it so much. And you guys have been following us through the process of renovating this place, and it's a huge transformation. So yeah, this is our living room. It's small, but it's mighty. And I assure you, we have tons of fun movie nights in here. This whole room, if you guys remember, this had wood paneling all throughout, brown wood paneling. So it was really dark, really dim and dingy and just crusty and old and ugly, but we took all that off and it is now bright and airy. The first thing you will notice is that our couch is on the bigger wall here and the TV is this way. So we don't really have a couch that faces the TV. Because this is a rental, it will be on Airbnb, Vrbo, all those sites soon. We just thought it would open the space a lot more if we kept this open. And you could still watch TV if you want to move the couch. If you want to sit here, watch it that way. The kids bring bean bags and then they watch the TV, so it's really not a problem. And my favorite little corner here, in this entire house, I swear when it was snowing, I would just sit here with my coffee and look at the snow. I love to put these blinds all the way up. I'm a huge window person. So if you guys know or you follow me, my house in Whittier has windows everywhere. So this house is no different. So we have tons of natural light, which is my thing. And being that we're on the corner lot, we have tons of just like grass and I don't know, front yard that we could see. And I just love sitting here. It's just like so cute, quaint, and simple. You can read a book, have coffee. So yeah, let's go to our little dining area. So if you guys remember, this was a huge, there was a wall here. There was a wall and there was a small opening that led to the kitchen. So I wanted to knock that down for one reason and one reason only. It is for this table because it wouldn't have fit otherwise. Now I purchased this table before we even did the renovations. So that's why I was like, Javi, my table is not gonna fit and I need it to fit in the space. So we had to knock down the wall, obviously made sure that it was safe. It wasn't a load-bearing beam, I think that's what the term is. So we were able to knock it down and fit my beautiful table and 4 chairs, and it fits super comfortably. Yeah, I love this travertine. It's just so pretty, so unique, and yeah. Okay, so now into the kitchen. I think this is the biggest transformation besides the restroom, which you guys will see in another video because it's not quite ready. But this kitchen was hideous. Oh my God, if you guys remember, it was terrible, it was bad. My kids were like, are we really gonna live in here, Mom? And I'm like, yeah, but we're gonna make it pretty first. So obviously we got uppers and lower cabinets. We got this beautiful quartz countertop that has like this really pretty marble design. I didn't want anything too crazy. I love this is just kind of really simple. It's not so veiny, which I love. It's not quite done in here. We still need to add a backsplash, shelving, and a few other things. However, I feel like it's done for now. So yeah, again, we just need to do like backsplash. We have our refrigerator that still annoys me because it hits this door. But you know what? The space is so small, but it works. Everything is like functioning and functionable. And I actually like this kitchen more than my kitchen at home because it's smaller and condensed. So I love to cook in here. It is like one of my favorite things to do. I really enjoy this small kitchen. And then over here, we just have our Nespresso. Obviously, I need my coffee every single day. Oh, I forgot to mention the windows. So we have these really, I've never seen windows like this ever in my life, ever. Because there's brick on the other side, we couldn't put bigger windows because you guys know I would have. But this window wasn't here before, so we added that one. So it was just like even, just made more sense. And it lets in tons of natural light. And then we also put those up as well and just makes the space feel open and airy, even though it's small. But I like that I could be in here like washing the dishes and then I can see the TV. The kids will be doing their homework. So yeah, it's just like an open concept space. It's really small in here. So we love that we opened it up so that it fit the table. And then you can kind of see, you know, not kind of, you could see the TV, you know, the living room, and everything is just right here in this small space. So if you guys want to check out our Airbnb listing, we will have it up soon in the summer. So you guys could come and visit and see all that Texas has to offer. It is so fun and we are truly sad we're gonna miss it, but we're gonna have somewhere to come in the summers. So yeah, I don't think I forgot anything. This was an ugly door before, but we got a new one, obviously. Everything from the ground up is new. So we're really happy with this renovation remodel. Again, it was small, it was quick. It only took us 3 months, and everything was done. And because the space is small, I do have something that I just received for the kids. So I'll take you outside so we can kind of put that together. So the kids can have some, I think they get like a little bit of cabin fever in here. So we'll take them outside and they can have some fun. Let's go. Summer is around the corner. If you're interested in outdoor fun, make sure you check out Joy More for all fun inflatables and so much more using the link in the description.